Okay, so something just arrived sa bahay. And I'm gonna show it to you right now. So, this just arrived. Ngayon lang, I ordered it last week. And it's an SJCAM action camera. So, I got it on the Lazada, it was on sale. So, these are one of the things I've been waiting for. So, I'm just going to do a very short unboxing of this thing because, you know, Lazada and whatnot, you folks like these kinds of videos, so let's take a look. It's not quite sure. So it's bubble wrap. That's a nice touch. And there. So it's the SJ4000 there. My very first action cam. Hindi lang naman ako motovlog, hindi naman maganito eh. But you know, I also have some other things in mind. My girlfriend is kind of adventurous, so this is something that we'll be using in some of our travels very soon. So let's take a look at what's inside. I bought this for 1,885 pesos. That it already includes the shipping of the action cam. So let's take a look at what's inside. And just slide it up like so. And it's a bubble wrap and a sleeve and the box. I don't know how to open this up. Boom! There. So we have the action cam right here, and I know these are the other stuff that we have inside. Ooh. Just falls off and it's already in its case. How nice is that? It's the SJCAM 4000 there. Okay, so I'll just set this aside for the meantime. And all of these other goodies. And take a look at the accessories box. Okay, naman ito. Okay, so I guess this is a mount that you stick on some surfaces, most probably a helmet. A J mount. Some other special mounts. This is most probably something that we would put on a tripod if I'm not mistaken, because it's flat and we have a mount just like this. Your micro USB siya. So this is not the USB type C kind. This is like one of the older chargers that you would see, or the older USB cables that you would have. The smaller end is shaped like a D, so it's flat on one side and curvy on the other. Some other special mounts that we have here. Another one, and your literature box, your instruction manual. Okay, it's English. Okay, English. And ta-da! Well, stickers, very nice. At least you would kinda, you know, endorse the product that you bought. Very nice. So there you have it. This is the SJCAM 4000 white 4000 SJ4000 Air, and it's already in a case. If I'm not mistaken, I just pull this thing up here to open it, and then it has a clip, and then pull it out just like so. This is a waterproof case, and here's the camera. Standard micro USB port over here. It doesn't have a, what do you call this, micro SD card inside. I'm pretty sure it's not included in the package, so you have to provide it yourself. And the micro HDMI port, if I'm not mistaken, so correct me if I'm wrong. So you have the OK button right over here, and a 2-inch display, if I'm not mistaken, because that's what's in the box. Yeah, it's a 2-inch display. So there, you pop this door open underneath. Okay. Bago lang ako nag-nail cut ngayon, so forgive me. I'm not able to open this little thing right now, so I'll just do this later. But yeah, so it's very lightweight and very small, and I'm not able to do the SMR thing. There, that's one. So yeah, I'll put it, but inside the box again, like so, and flip it. There, that's it. So I'll be using this baby during my rides, and hopefully I would, you know, get a lot of very nice footage on this. Although it's a little basic, it's not the GoPro kind that you're expecting, and it's a bargain, really, I tell you. This is on sale at Lazada for 1,700 something, if I'm not mistaken, and plus delivery it's at 1,885. So yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to use this a lot, you know, during my trips, and you will be definitely seeing a lot more motovlogging videos in the next coming weeks, and yeah, because of this I'll be able to, you know, go through the stuff that I need to do for my motovlogs for as long as my schedule allows it. So that's all for this short unboxing of the SJCAM SJ4000 Air. Hopefully I can go ahead and review this if it is a good product, should you buy it or not during your motovlogging. But for what it's worth, it's a good start for now, and the packaging seems pretty legit and pretty solid, and for 1,885 pesos, very good buy. So far so good. I haven't really tried it yet because I have to slap on a micro SD card, but for now, let's see. So I'll be publishing videos using this camera on the go forward, and hopefully you'll be able to, you know, enjoy and see a lot more footages for my motovlogging. So that's all for today, and thank you very much guys for your time. Click the like button if you like this video. It's okay if you go ahead and thumbs down if you want. Leave a comment down below, and don't miss another video. Click on the subscribe button and the bell notification button right there on the side, so you don't miss any of the videos that I will be publishing. And also I would like to advertise my new Twitter account. That's Motorox. Just search for Motorox on Twitter, or look for my Twitter handle, that's at PH Motorox. That's PHMOTOROX. PHMOTOROCKS. That's at PHMOTOROCKS. Well, I have to get used to that, right? So, thank you very much for your time, guys. Happy Monday. See you guys in the next one. Ride safe and keep on rocking.